Documentation is anything your doctor, therapist, or previous school has given you that can support your accommodation needs and help us create a plan for you to reach your goals. This documentation helps us know what accommodations are going to help you best. Documentation may need to be uploaded into the Accommodate portal. Here's how. Log in to Accommodate. On the left side navigation menu, click on Documents and then Approved Documents. Click on the Add New button. Click on Upload File to upload your file, and make sure you rename your document, student number, and then ALS document. So 000209 ALS document. And then click Open. Now your document is there, ready to be submitted. Then label it. You can label it the same file name that you just gave your file, or you can just call it what it is. For example, Psych Ed Assessment. Then choose the document type: supporting medical documentation, documentation from a previous institution, or other documentation. In this case, mine is a supporting medical documentation. Once you're finished, click on Submit. Now in your documents, you will see that you have a Psych Ed assessment uploaded and ready to go. You've just uploaded your documentation. Let's get you ready for an appointment.